Hi guys, Leon here, 9 p.m. So again, I'm playing around with this old HP there with Linux Mint running, and just downloaded VE7CC Cluster, the software, which normally runs under Windows. So using the Wine emulator to run a Windows program VE7CC under Linux. So I'll put in all my information here. And okay, and yep. Alrighty. Right. Update program. So I have to close off this here now. Okay, continue with the update. Click on connect. Let's see what's going on 40 meters. Right, nice. So this Windows software VE7CC is working under Linux Mint. Auto start. Closing the program. Right, another configuration to do. 20 meters. Okay, great. So it is working on the Linux Mint.